This series video is collaboration with two really amazing creators, Made by Sova and Bonnie and Clive. Please check the playlist down below where all the videos from this collaboration are gathered together, and please check out Made by Sova and Bonnie and Clive channels. You can get more inspiration how to turn junk into something usable. This whole series is all about used envelopes, how to recycle them with easy projects for junk journal. So first of all, I'm going to open the sides of this envelope. Since the flap is not attached to the lip, I'm going just to leave it as it is and take my craft knife and just try slowly to open the sides. Like this. Like this. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some of the acrylic paints to make this nicer and to make it more sturdy. I'm just going to put some masking tape over the window so when I'm folding it's not gonna tear. Just gonna take some of the masking tape and put it right over it, trying to really press it down good, and I'm going to do the same on the other side. So now we have protected window, and I am going to paint this envelope front and back. Let me use something here. Okay, this is gonna be just fine. So I'm gonna start on the front. I'm not bothered that here is the sticker. I'm just gonna cover it with some paint and it's gonna be just fine, I guess. Since that envelope is still drying, I found another one that I made before starting this video. So I will just glue these pieces down so they are solid, like one piece of paper. I am going to use this envelope, so this is going to be on the inside and I'm going to have white on the outside. So I wanted to fold this envelope on half and then again on half so I can make a crease like this. I'm going to use my scissors to make really good crease. And now I think I wanted to do one more. So I'm going to try to make, so I'm gonna take this one and just fold it on itself and crease it really good and do another thing and do another side and do the same thing. Trying to see if I'm trying to be straight, but if I don't get it really straight, I can still cut some off if I need to. Usually I would cut top and bottom, but this one is pretty nice. So now that I have this M kind of shape, I am going to open it and I'm going to cut till here. So one panel is going to be attached These two are going to be attached, and I'm going to cut it straight here. So when you have it like this and the two joined together on top, you're gonna start picking it up and just making M shape again, but some things might fold differently than before. And like so. Another crease, let's do it. And the inside. Okay, so let me see. Pretty much you get something like this. So you have one M and the other M, and here's the joint. So I'm going to glue the joint together. What you can do is make a pocket out of it, which, yeah, we could do the pocket, right? So I'm just going to glue up here, and that would be it. So I have the first one and then the glued one, that it's the whole page is glued and it's thicker. And then we have that pocket. I think I want to put something on the pocket so we know it's a pocket. Like this. And then we have that M that we need to glue, so the middle page. Just don't worry if it's not completely straight right now. Just try to have the spine as close as straight. So I have another of painted envelopes here. And yeah, this is kind of good. Just gonna use a little bit of glue on the flap. Looks fine. And again, I need a middle. So this is kind of the middle. And then I put it again on the middle. So I'm gonna fold on the middle. Try to make nice crease. And then I'm gonna fold it back on itself. And turn it around and do the same thing. Fold it back on itself. You would usually do this with a regular piece of paper as well. So I'm gonna try to have this as a pocket, so no window up top. And I'm going to cut to the last section. And let's see. Like this. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start picking up. So this is going to be my cover of this booklet, and I'll have to re-fold things, and then I'm gonna fold it like this. So the painted side is gonna be inside, and then like this, and then we have already creased and folded the other side. Okay, so the window, another page. This is gonna be the pocket and the back cover. Okay, so I think I'm just going to cut the top on this one. Hopefully I can cut it all the same. Yep. And let's cut a little bit at the bottom, if I can do that. Well, now we did it. Now I have to glue. I forgot to glue the middle together, and when I cut the bottom, I actually opened the envelope. I shouldn't cut the bottom, but it's all good. It's gonna be just as functional as it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna glue it this way. Okay, and this way. I'm gonna just put some glue on the top and the bottom and put them back together. So you're not, you're not freaking out when something that happens. So it's good for me to just show you that I make mistakes and how to fix them. So we have the pocket, and I'm going to put little notch here. Like so. And now we have the pocket. Something is stuck. Pocket. Let's glue these pieces together. First page. And you could make a top loading pocket as well if you wanted to. So this one is finished. I am going to put some color on now. I'm just gonna open it and crease it down. And even this one, I feel like I want to put some paint on. Just wanna open it and crease it down. I need to cut a little bit here though. I feel like I want it a little bit more straight. And I should open it before as well, when I was making it straight as well. Okay. So probably need to glue now. But since I already have the glue on the top, it's not going anywhere and it's not moving on me when I opened it up. Okay, I really love this one. Just beautiful. Okay, I wanted to put some paint on. So let's do that. Before starting this video, I made a prototype. This is my prototype. And I actually made 3 pages. This is the envelope flap, and I just left it in. I like it that it's, a bit different. It's not the same size, so that's good. So I didn't include any pocket here. This is glued together. And I'm thinking, I just want to use some fabric. I have some fabric here. This is a fabric sample, and I just wanted to use it for the front. Can I cut this? Come on, scissors. Kind of. They say kind of. You can cut, but okay, I'm trying to see the lines on the fabric to go a bit straighter. Not sure I did. And I'm going to take some of the threads off like this, so it's more grungy-er. Okay, and just plop it down like this. So I think I'm gonna use this really nice pink on the front, and this is gonna just stay on the back, and I'm gonna stitch both of them, maybe zigzag or something, so it looks nicer. And I thought maybe I could use these that I already cut one day as a tab. So let's do that. I'm not sure if I can actually fold them like this and crease. Let me see if I can do that. So so they stay flat. And I'm gonna do the same on this one. I wanted to put something on the front. I have this sticker set from I don't know where, and it says first day of spring, and I kind of want to put it there, but it's a sticker, so I think I'm going to take this piece of paper and just cut it out so it's more sturdier. And when I'm gonna sew everything down, this is not straight. When I'm gonna sew everything down, I think I'm just going to let me see how I can fit this. It's gonna go on the middle, and I kind of want smaller borders around because it takes it's that thread is really nice, and I wanted to show something like that. So I can glue it down. I might edge the first day of spring a little bit. So let me stitch this up, and then I'm gonna come back and just show you really quickly how it looks like. Okay, so I just stitched all around and glued down this fuzz of fabric threads. And another thing I did, I edged the random sticker first day of spring, and I'm going just to glue it on. And that's kind of it. First day of spring. Hope it comes soon. Okay, so let me flip through this one. And this could be your tiny little junkyard journal if you wanted to. So you can art inside and glue little pieces, or a glue book that you would actually put inside of your junk journal. So it's really cutesy and slim. Hope you like this project, and I hope you're gonna try to use a lot of the envelopes to do small projects like this for junk journals. So thank you very much for watching, and bye.